Interplanetary travel represents the next frontier of human exploration, a step that pushes the boundaries of our understanding and capabilities. It is not merely a question of reaching another planet, but of surviving, thriving, and building a sustainable future far from Earth. The challenges are immense, from the engineering marvel required to launch and propel a spacecraft across the vast distances of our solar system to the psychological resilience needed for years of isolation in the void. The thin atmosphere of Mars, or the icy surface of Europa, becomes a puzzle that must be solved with precision and ingenuity. Life support systems, radiation shielding, and closed-loop ecosystems are no longer theoretical. They are essential technologies that define our ability to exist beyond our blue planet. These systems must replicate Earth's intricate balance, recycling air, water, and nutrients while protecting against the relentless cosmic rays that bombard us outside of our magnetic shield. At the heart of interplanetary travel is the human spirit, an unyielding drive to explore the unknown and extend the reach of our species into the cosmos. Every mission brings with it a profound sense of connection, not just to the stars but also to Earth itself. From afar, our planet becomes a fragile, beautiful oasis, reminding us of both the urgency to preserve it and the possibilities of creating new homes among the stars. This journey is not just about technology or survival. It is about redefining what it means to be human in a universe full of potential. As we prepare for this monumental leap, collaboration becomes the cornerstone of success. Nations, scientists, and innovators must work together, pooling resources and knowledge to overcome the countless obstacles in our path. Interplanetary travel demands advancements in propulsion systems, such as nuclear thermal or ion drives, capable of cutting travel times and reducing the risks associated with prolonged exposure to microgravity and space radiation. The vision extends beyond Mars, our closest candidate for colonization, toward the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where subsurface oceans might harbor the building blocks of life. These destinations ignite our imagination, not just as places to explore, but as potential harbors for humanity's future. The ethical and philosophical questions surrounding interplanetary travel also grow louder. What responsibilities do we carry as stewards of life, venturing into pristine worlds untouched by human hands? The balance between exploration and preservation is delicate, demanding careful thought and foresight. Each step forward in our cosmic journey raises new challenges, from the logistics of constructing habitats on alien soil to the moral implications of altering ecosystems beyond our own. And yet, with each answer, humanity gains a deeper understanding of itself and its place in the cosmos. Interplanetary travel is not just a journey outward. It is a journey inward, a reflection of our collective curiosity and determination. It symbolizes a bridge between what we know and what we hope to discover, a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind and spirit. Every probe, every rover, and every astronaut sent into the unknown writes another chapter in the story of humanity's relentless pursuit of the stars. This pursuit is as much about survival as it is about discovery. Earth, while abundant and nurturing, is not immune to the forces of time and the unpredictability of cosmic events. Interplanetary travel offers humanity a chance to diversify its existence, to create a safeguard against extinction by establishing a presence beyond this singular planet. But this ambition demands that we rethink our definitions of home and community. Living on another planet will mean adapting to new ways of life, embracing environments that challenge every aspect of what we consider normal. Gravity, light cycles, and even the concept of time itself will shift, forcing us to evolve not only biologically but culturally. Technology will continue to play the starring role, but human adaptability will be the silent force driving success. How will we recreate the intimacy of Earth's ecosystems in the cold, sterile vacuum of space? How will we cultivate food, generate energy, and maintain mental health in worlds so far removed from everything familiar? The answers lie in the synergy between science, imagination, and resilience. Interplanetary travel is not just about reaching new planets. It's about learning to live in harmony with them, to see them not as mere resources to exploit, but as partners in a shared existence. The first steps are already being taken, with missions like Artemis aiming to return humans to the moon, and probes like Perseverance exploring the surface of Mars. The foundations for interplanetary travel are being laid brick by brick. Each success and failure builds a framework of knowledge that will guide future generations toward the stars. It is not a race, but a continuum, a legacy that connects the dreamers of yesterday with the pioneers of tomorrow. Interplanetary travel is the ultimate expression of what it means to be human. The ability to imagine a future beyond our immediate horizon and to work tirelessly to make it a reality. And as we look beyond Mars, the scale of our ambition grows exponentially. The gas giants and their enigmatic moons present tantalizing possibilities. Europa, with its vast subterranean ocean, calls to us as a potential cradle for alien life. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and hydrocarbon lakes, teases the possibility of unconventional chemistry sustaining unknown forms of existence. These distant worlds challenge our ingenuity, forcing us to think creatively about how to reach, study, and even inhabit such extreme environments. The journey to these far-flung destinations will require not just new technologies, but new philosophies about exploration and coexistence. In the void between planets, humanity will need to confront the ultimate isolation. Deep space travel demands that we create self-sustaining habitats capable of withstanding the rigors of interstellar radiation, the monotony of unchanging surroundings, and the psychological strain of vast distances. It will redefine community, forcing small groups of explorers to rely on one another in ways that will test the very fabric of human resilience. But it will also unify us. The sight of Earth as a pale blue, a fragile speck against the infinite black, has the power to dissolve borders and remind us of our shared humanity. Interplanetary travel also brings with it an opportunity to rewrite the narrative of human civilization. As we step onto alien worlds, we carry with us the lessons of Earth, both its triumphs and its failures. These new frontiers could be a chance to build societies that reflect our highest ideals, free from the constraints and divisions of the past. But they also remind us of the profound responsibility we bear. Every rover that touches Martian soil, every habitat we construct on the moon or beyond, becomes a marker of humanity's presence in the cosmos. How we choose to shape that presence will define not just our survival, but our legacy. The allure of interplanetary travel lies not only in its challenges, but in the promise it holds. The chance to push the boundaries of knowledge, to uncover the secrets of distant worlds, and to answer the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. It is a journey that transcends science and technology, tapping into the deepest parts of human curiosity and courage. To dream of other worlds is to dream of a future unbound by the limitations of today, a future where the stars are no longer distant beacons, but destinations within reach. And with each step forward, we come closer to making that dream a reality. The dream of interplanetary travel is not solely about technological conquest. It is a quest for meaning, for connection, for understanding our place in the cosmos. Each rocket launched, each rover deployed, each astronaut trained becomes a testament to humanity's desire to transcend the limits of its origins. But this journey is not without its risks. The harsh realities of space, extreme temperatures, deadly radiation, the void of airlessness, are constant reminders of the fragility of life. The path forward will require relentless innovation, unwavering resolve, and the courage to face the unknown with open hearts and minds. Yet the risks are matched by the rewards. Each new discovery reshapes our understanding of the universe and our role within it. A single microbial fossil on Mars could rewrite the story of life, connecting us to a cosmic lineage that spans the stars. The icy plumes of Enceladus or the methane-rich clouds of Titan could hold the answers to questions we have pondered for millennia. These worlds challenge us to imagine not only what life could be, but what life could become in environments radically different from our own. Interplanetary travel also forces us to reconsider the relationship between humanity and its home planet. As we explore the barren landscapes of Mars or the frozen seas of Europa, the unique beauty and abundance of Earth come into sharper focus. It is a reminder of the rarity of our world, a fragile jewel in a cosmos of extremes. This perspective deepens our responsibility to protect and cherish the planet that gave us life, even as we look outward toward the stars. In this delicate balance between exploration and preservation, interplanetary travel becomes more than a scientific endeavor. It becomes a philosophical and ethical challenge. It asks us to consider not just how we will survive on other planets, but how we will live. Will we bring with us the same divisions and conflicts that have marked our history on Earth? Or will the vastness of space inspire a new era of unity and cooperation? These are questions that must guide our actions as we move forward. As humanity takes its first tentative steps into the broader universe, we are not simply expanding our horizons. We are planting the seeds of a future that may one day stretch beyond the confines of the solar system. Interplanetary travel is a beginning, not an end, a prelude to an era where the stars themselves may become our homes. The challenges ahead are immense, but so is the potential for discovery, growth, and connection. This is not just a journey of technology and science. It is the story of a species daring to dream beyond its limitations, driven by the belief that the impossible is only the next frontier waiting to be conquered. As we continue to chart the course toward interplanetary travel, we are reminded that the journey is as much about humanity's transformation as it is about reaching distant worlds. Each innovation, each breakthrough, and each small step forward reflects the collective effort of countless individuals who dare to dream beyond the confines of Earth. The challenges we face are not insurmountable. They are opportunities to redefine what is possible, to test the limits of our creativity, and to forge new paths for future generations. The foundations are being laid not only in laboratories and space agencies, but also in the minds of visionaries who see interplanetary travel as the next great chapter in our story. From the development of sustainable propulsion systems to the creation of habitats that mimic Earth's ecosystems, Every problem solved brings us closer to a reality where humanity can thrive beyond its home planet. But this journey is not just about science. It is about resilience, adaptability, and the unyielding human spirit. As we look ahead, the prospect of becoming an interplanetary species raises profound questions about identity and purpose. What will it mean to be human when we are no longer bound to a single planet? How will our cultures, traditions, and values evolve in the context of a cosmic existence? These questions will shape the societies we build on other worlds, influencing everything from governance to art, education, and relationships. Interplanetary travel will challenge us to preserve the best of who we are while embracing the changes that come with exploring entirely new frontiers. Beyond the technical and philosophical aspects, there is the emotional core of interplanetary travel. The wonder, the awe, the humbling realization that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Standing on the surface of Mars, watching a sunrise filtered through its dusty atmosphere, or gazing back at Earth from the moon, we are reminded of both our insignificance in the vast cosmos and the incredible potential we hold as a species. These moments will inspire not just astronauts, but all of humanity, igniting a collective sense of purpose and unity. The journey to other planets is ultimately a journey inward. It forces us to confront our fears, our limitations, and our deepest hopes. It teaches us the value of collaboration, the power of imagination, and the importance of stewardship, not just of Earth, but of every world we touch. Interplanetary travel is more than exploration. It is a promise to the future, a declaration that humanity is ready to take its place among the stars. And as we continue this journey, one step at a time, we carry with us the knowledge that we are not just travelers. We are pioneers of an infinite frontier. Each step forward in interplanetary travel draws us closer to a reality where humanity is no longer confined to a single world. This vision, once the realm of science fiction, is becoming tangible, shaped by the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the unwavering belief that the stars are within our reach. As we prepare for the monumental challenges ahead, it becomes clear that this endeavor is not just about leaving Earth, but about carrying its essence with us. The cultures, histories, and collective dreams of humanity will travel alongside the spacecraft, reminding us of where we came from and inspiring us to imagine where we might go. With every successful mission, we learn more about our universe and about ourselves. The first human footprints on Mars will echo not only as a technical achievement, but as a testament to our capacity for courage and innovation. Those steps will represent the culmination of generations of effort, of scientists, engineers, and dreamers who dared to push beyond the boundaries of the possible. But they will also be the beginning of a new story, one in which humanity is no longer defined solely by its existence on Earth. The expansion into the cosmos offers a unique opportunity to rethink the very foundations of civilization. On these new worlds, free from the constraints of Earth's history, we have a chance to experiment with new ways of living, of organizing societies, and of relating to the environment around us. These experiments will not be without risk, but they hold the potential to spark a renaissance of human creativity and ingenuity. Interplanetary colonies could become hubs of innovation, where solutions to problems on Earth, energy, resources, and sustainability are conceived and tested. Yet, as we plant our flags on alien soils, we must do so with humility and a deep sense of responsibility. These planets, though lifeless to our current understanding, are part of a larger cosmic ecosystem. Our presence must be guided by principles of preservation and respect, ensuring that our exploration does not come at the expense of the environments we seek to understand. In this sense, interplanetary travel is not just an act of expansion, but of stewardship, a commitment to care for the universe as we care for our own planet. As the horizon expands and humanity reaches farther into the depths of space, we may find answers to some of our most profound questions. Are we alone? What is the nature of life? And how did it arise? What is the destiny of intelligent civilizations? These answers will not come easily, but the pursuit of them will define our era and leave a legacy for those who follow. Interplanetary travel is a bridge between the known and the unknown, a journey that connects us to the universe in ways we are only beginning to grasp. The stars have always called to us, their light a reminder of both our smallness and our potential. Now, for the first time, we are within reach of answering that call, not as dreamers, but as explorers, builders, and caretakers of a new chapter in the story of life. Interplanetary travel is more than a technological endeavor. It is the ultimate expression of hope, a belief that our best days lie not behind us, but ahead, waiting to be written among the stars. And as we write this new chapter, we carry with us the collective dreams of humanity, dreams of discovery, survival, and connection. Interplanetary travel is not just about reaching physical destinations. It is a profound leap in understanding our role in the universe. Every challenge we face, from developing life support systems to navigating the vast distances between worlds, pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. Each solution not only brings us closer to the stars, but also teaches us how to better care for our home planet. The technology we develop for sustaining life on Mars may help solve Earth's environmental crises, creating a symbiotic relationship between our terrestrial and extraterrestrial futures. As we venture farther, we begin to see patterns, connections between the micro and the macro, between the workings of a single cell and the dynamics of a galaxy. This perspective, forged through the lens of interplanetary exploration, changes how we see ourselves. We are no longer just inhabitants of Earth. We are participants in a cosmic narrative bound by the same fundamental laws of nature that govern the stars and the planets. This understanding deepens our sense of unity, reminding us that the divisions we create on Earth pale in comparison to the vastness of the universe. The journey to other planets is as much about building a future as it is about confronting our past. The lessons of Earth's history, its conflicts, its triumphs, its moments of cooperation, will shape how we approach life beyond our atmosphere. Will we bring the same mistakes to other worlds, or will we rise to the occasion and create a new paradigm for living? These questions loom large, challenging us to think deeply about the kind of legacy we wish to leave behind. Interplanetary travel is not just an opportunity for exploration, but a test of our collective wisdom and foresight. Even as we dream of Mars and beyond, we must remain mindful of the realities of space. The vast emptiness, the relentless radiation, the isolation. These are not just obstacles to overcome, but reminders of the fragility of life. Every step forward will require courage, collaboration, and a willingness to adapt. The humans who set foot on other planets will carry with them not just the hopes of those on Earth, but also the weight of representing humanity as a whole. Their experiences, their stories, will inspire generations to come, fueling the drive to continue exploring, learning, and growing. In the end, interplanetary travel is a journey of becoming. It is the process of transforming from a species bound to one world into a civilization capable of thriving among the stars. It is about expanding our horizons, not just physically, but intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually. As we set our sights on the distant planets and moons, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, not just for survival, but for flourishing, for innovation, and for a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. This journey is our greatest challenge and our greatest opportunity, a testament to the boundless potential of humanity when it dares to dream beyond the limits of the present. The universe, vast and unyielding, continues to beckon us with its mysteries and endless horizons. Each step we take toward interplanetary travel reaffirms a fundamental truth. Humanity's story is not confined to a single planet. It is written in the stars, etched into the fabric of the cosmos itself. As we gaze upward, the realization dawns that our exploration is not just about discovery. It is about survival, transformation, and the pursuit of meaning. To venture beyond Earth is to embrace the unknown and to carry forward the legacy of countless generations who looked to the heavens and wondered what lies beyond. The challenges we face are monumental, but they are the kind that define eras and civilizations. Interplanetary travel demands that we innovate like never before, pushing the limits of engineering, biology, and even philosophy. It requires us to confront hard questions about how we live, what we value, and what kind of future we wish to create. It forces us to reconsider what it means to be human when home is no longer a single planet, but a collection of worlds, each with its own challenges, possibilities, and unique beauty. On Mars, our first steps will be cautious and deliberate, a blend of science and survival. We will learn to harness its resources to grow food in its soil and to protect ourselves from its harsh environment. But Mars is only the beginning. Beyond it lies a solar system filled with potential. Europa's hidden oceans, Titan's enigmatic atmosphere, the endless energy of the sun. Each destination expands our understanding, not just of the universe, but of our capacity to adapt and thrive. Yet, as we stretch our reach across the stars, the ethical dimensions of our actions become increasingly significant. What does it mean to touch another world? How do we ensure that our exploration is guided by respect and responsibility, not just ambition? These questions are as critical as the technical challenges, shaping how we approach the universe and our role within it. To explore responsibly is to acknowledge that we are part of something much greater, bound by the same cosmic forces that govern the planets and the stars. Interplanetary travel is also a journey inward, a reflection of our deepest desires and fears. It is a reminder that, for all our technological advancements, we are still driven by the same instincts that guided our ancestors: curiosity, survival, and the need for connection. Standing on the surface of another world, gazing back at the distant Earth, we may finally grasp the fragility of our existence and the interconnectedness of all life. This perspective, born from the vastness of space, has the power to transform how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. As we take these first steps into the cosmos, we do so not as individuals or even nations, but as a species united by a shared purpose. The journey ahead is not just about exploration. It is about hope. It is the belief that no challenge is too great, no distance too vast, and no dream too ambitious. Interplanetary travel is the ultimate expression of our potential, a testament to the indomitable human spirit and its ability to transcend boundaries. It is the promise of a future where the stars are not just distant lights, but destinations, each one a beacon calling us to explore, to learn, and to grow. This is humanity's greatest adventure, a story still being written, with endless chapters yet to unfold. And as we continue to write these chapters, the journey itself becomes a reflection of our evolving identity. Interplanetary travel is not merely a conquest of space. It is a redefinition of what it means to belong. With each leap across the solar system, humanity shifts from being a species of Earth to one of the cosmos. This transformation is profound, reshaping our understanding of home, community, and existence. The planets we visit will not only challenge our technology, but also our adaptability, resilience, and ability to create meaningful lives in worlds that are not naturally our own. On these alien landscapes, every sunrise will carry a reminder of Earth's beauty and fragility. The thin air of Mars or the icy desolation of Europa will sharpen our appreciation for Earth's abundant gifts, its breathable atmosphere, flowing water, and boundless biodiversity. These reminders will inspire a deeper commitment to preserving and cherishing the planet that gave us life, even as we forge new paths among the stars. This duality of looking outward while honoring what lies behind is central to the ethos of interplanetary travel. Yet, the challenges will not cease with the first successful colony. Sustaining life on other planets will require continuous ingenuity and collaboration. The systems we build must not only provide survival, but foster growth, creativity, and connection. How will we recreate art, music, and culture in the silence of space? How will we maintain the bonds of humanity when distance and isolation stretch across millions of kilometers? These are not secondary questions, but essential ones, for they shape the spirit and purpose of our expansion into the cosmos. Interplanetary travel also calls for new forms of governance and ethics. The void between planets is vast, and the societies we establish on Mars, Titan, or beyond may develop in ways unimaginable on Earth. How do we ensure that these new civilizations are fair, inclusive, and sustainable? How do we avoid repeating the mistakes of the past while embracing the opportunities of the future? These are questions without easy answers, but they are as critical as the technical blueprints for rockets and habitats. As we look further into the distance, the dream of interstellar travel begins to emerge. A journey not just to neighboring planets, but to distant stars and the exoplanets that orbit them. This vision is still distant, but the seeds are planted today in every mission, every experiment, and every spark of imagination. The technologies we develop for interplanetary travel will one day serve as the foundation for reaching other star systems, for extending humanity's presence into the galaxy. The universe is vast, and our place within it is just beginning to unfold. Interplanetary travel is the bridge between what we know and what we have yet to discover. It is a journey that transcends generations, connecting the dreams of the past with the aspirations of the future. With every spacecraft launched, every rover deployed, and every astronaut who steps onto an alien surface, we take another step toward becoming a multiplanetary species. This is more than an exploration of space. It is an exploration of possibility. It is the pursuit of a future where humanity is not defined by its limits, but by its potential. It is the belief that no matter how vast the cosmos, there is a place for us within it. And so, we continue to reach, to build, and to dream, knowing that the journey into the stars is not just humanity's next chapter, but its greatest story yet to be told. The story of humanity's journey into the cosmos is one of ambition, resilience, and an unrelenting desire to transcend the boundaries of our existence. Each step forward, whether it's the construction of a lunar base, the colonization of Mars, or the exploration of Europa's hidden oceans, is a testament to our ability to imagine and create futures beyond the horizon. But this journey is not just about survival or expansion. It's about becoming something more, adapting to new worlds, reshaping our identity, and discovering what it truly means to thrive in the universe. As we push further, the challenges will grow more complex. Sustaining life in environments that are fundamentally hostile to human existence will require unprecedented innovations. We will need to master the art of creating closed-loop ecosystems, harnessing resources in situ, and building habitats capable of withstanding extremes we have never encountered. But these challenges will also bring opportunities to reinvent how we live, how we interact with the environment, and how we define progress. What we learn on Mars or Titan could revolutionize life on Earth, offering solutions to resource scarcity, climate change, and global inequities. The psychological challenges of interplanetary travel will be just as significant. The isolation, the distance from Earth, and the sheer unknown of these new worlds will test the limits of human endurance. But they will also inspire new forms of connection and community. In the silence of space, we may discover deeper ways to relate to one another, to value our shared humanity, and to find meaning in the vastness of the cosmos. The stories of those who venture beyond Earth will become a shared mythology, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dream beyond the confines of the possible. As we establish ourselves on other planets, we will be forced to confront the ethical dimensions of our presence. These worlds, untouched by human hands, represent a pristine canvas. How we choose to engage with them will define not only our relationship with the cosmos, but also our legacy as a species. Will we exploit these new frontiers, repeating the mistakes of the past? Or will we approach them with humility and stewardship, ensuring that exploration is guided by respect and responsibility? Looking beyond our solar system, the dream of interstellar travel glimmers on the horizon. The idea of reaching distant stars and exploring exoplanets, worlds that may harbor life or hold the potential for human colonization, fires the imagination. This is not a journey we are ready for yet, but every step we take today lays the groundwork for that distant tomorrow. The propulsion systems, life support technologies, and knowledge we gain from interplanetary travel will one day propel us beyond the reaches of our sun, toward the infinite expanse of the galaxy. The ultimate question remains: why do we embark on this journey? The answers are as varied as humanity itself. For some, it is the pursuit of knowledge and the desire to understand our place in the universe. For others, it is the need to secure the survival of our species, to ensure that humanity endures no matter what challenges Earth may face. And for many, it is simply the thrill of exploration, the innate human drive to seek out the unknown and claim it as part of our collective experience. In the end, interplanetary travel is not just a means of reaching other worlds. It is a reflection of who we are and who we aspire to be. It is a declaration that, no matter the obstacles, we are a species that dares to dream, to create, and to explore. The stars have always been our companions, distant and unreachable, yet ever present in our stories and our hopes. Now, as we step closer to them, we do so with the knowledge that this journey is not just about crossing distances, but about expanding our understanding of life, of the universe, and of ourselves. The stars are no longer the end of the story. They are just the beginning. As humanity continues its ascent into the cosmos, the journey becomes not just about exploration, but about transformation. Every frontier we reach challenges us to adapt, innovate, and reconsider the essence of what it means to be human. Interplanetary travel is not simply a technological achievement. It is a philosophical awakening, a reminder of our connection to the universe and our responsibility within it. Each new world we touch will reflect back our ingenuity, our determination, and the values we choose to carry forward. The stars that once seemed distant and untouchable are now destinations on our horizon. Mars will be the proving ground, the place where humanity learns to live away from Earth for the first time. The red planet's thin atmosphere and barren landscapes will force us to create life from the unlivable, extracting water from frozen soil, growing food in alien conditions, and building communities under protective domes. These challenges will forge a new kind of resilience, one that will prepare us for the even greater challenges of exploring the outer solar system and beyond. As we push further, we will learn not only how to survive, but how to thrive. The icy oceans of Europa, the methane-rich lakes of Titan, and the distant possibilities of exoplanets orbiting other stars will stretch our understanding of biology, chemistry, and physics. These environments may teach us not only about alien life, but also about ourselves, how life begins, how it evolves, and what forms it might take in conditions vastly different from Earth. Each discovery will add another thread to the tapestry of our understanding, connecting us more deeply to the universe that created us. But with these new horizons come profound questions about our intentions and ethics. As we set foot on new worlds, how do we ensure that our exploration respects their integrity? What if we find life, microbial, complex, or something entirely unexpected? How do we approach such a discovery with humility and a sense of responsibility? These are not just scientific questions. They are moral imperatives that will shape the legacy of humanity's presence in the cosmos. Interplanetary travel also forces us to confront the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of all things. From the perspective of space, Earth becomes a small, delicate sphere floating in the vast darkness. This view has the power to unify, to remind us of our shared origins and our collective destiny. It challenges us to protect the only home we've ever known, even as we reach for others. The technologies and solutions we develop for life on other planets, sustainable energy, closed-loop ecosystems, and resource efficiency, may hold the keys to solving Earth's most pressing challenges. In the end, interplanetary travel is about more than exploration. It is about evolution of our technology, our societies, and our understanding of what it means to be alive. Each step forward, each world reached, is a testament to the unyielding human spirit, the drive to seek, to learn, and to grow. The stars may be infinite, but so too is our potential. As we look to the future, we know that this journey will define us, not just as inhabitants of Earth, but as citizens of the universe. The story of interplanetary travel is not a conclusion. It is a beginning, a bold declaration that humanity is ready to embrace its role in the grand, unfolding narrative of the cosmos. The narrative of interplanetary travel continues to evolve, expanding into realms that stretch our imagination and redefine our capabilities. As humanity ventures deeper into the cosmos, the very act of exploration transforms into a profound exercise in cooperation and creativity. The challenges are no longer just technical. They are cultural, philosophical, and existential. What does it mean to be human when we inhabit multiple worlds? How do we forge a collective identity that transcends the boundaries of Earth while respecting the diversity of our species? The first settlers on Mars or the Moon will be pioneers in every sense of the word. They will not only establish the physical infrastructure necessary for survival, but also lay the groundwork for the cultures, traditions, and values of a multiplanetary civilization. These early communities will serve as microcosms of humanity, testing our ability to coexist, innovate, and adapt in environments vastly different from our home. They will redefine the concept of home itself, proving that it is not tied to geography, but to the connections we build and the purpose we share. Beyond survival, the ultimate goal of interplanetary travel is flourishing. This means creating environments where art, science, and human expression can thrive, even in the harshest conditions. It means developing systems that are not just sustainable, but regenerative, capable of supporting vibrant ecosystems in places once thought barren. The success of these endeavors will depend on our ability to integrate the lessons of Earth with the unique challenges of each new world. Mars will teach us resilience. Europa will challenge our understanding of life. Titan will inspire new ways of thinking about chemistry and energy. Each destination will shape us as much as we shape it. And as we push beyond our solar system, the dream of interstellar travel begins to take form. The vast distances between stars are daunting, but they also remind us of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. To reach the nearest exoplanets, we will need breakthroughs in propulsion, energy, and perhaps even our understanding of physics itself. These journeys will span generations, requiring a level of foresight and commitment that humanity has never before undertaken. Yet, the rewards are immeasurable. The chance to explore entirely new ecosystems, encounter new forms of life, and perhaps even find answers to the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. At the heart of all these efforts is a simple but profound truth. The drive to explore is intrinsic to who we are. It is the same drive that pushed our ancestors to cross oceans, scale mountains, and chart the skies. Interplanetary travel is the next expression of this enduring spirit, a testament to our refusal to accept limits and our determination to seek out the unknown. It is a journey that unites us, reminding us that despite our differences, we share a common destiny among the stars. As we continue this journey, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of every generation that has ever looked up at the night sky and wondered. Each step forward is a promise to those who come after us, a promise that we will not stop, that we will continue to reach, to learn, and to grow. The universe is vast and mysterious, but it is also ours to explore, to cherish, and to understand. Interplanetary travel is more than a technical achievement. It is the ultimate expression of humanity's potential. It is our way of saying that the stars are not just a backdrop to our existence. They are the future of our story, and we are ready to embrace it. The story of interplanetary travel is a story of evolution, not just in the physical sense, but in how we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe. Each step we take into the cosmos challenges us to think bigger, to act with greater foresight, and to work together in ways we've never imagined. The planets and moons we aspire to explore are not just destinations. They are catalysts for the next chapter of human civilization. They push us to innovate, to cooperate, and to redefine what it means to thrive as a species. As we establish footholds on Mars, the Moon, and beyond, we will learn to adapt in ways that go beyond survival. The act of living on another planet will transform our biology, our culture, and our psychology. The reduced gravity of Mars will influence how our bodies grow and age. The need to rely on each other in isolated colonies will reshape how we form communities. The vast, empty skies above alien worlds will challenge our sense of belonging, forcing us to forge new connections with our environments and with each other. The tools and technologies we develop will not only ensure our survival, but also allow us to flourish. Artificial intelligence will help us manage complex systems, from agriculture in Martian soil to climate control in lunar habitats. Advances in material science will enable us to build structures capable of withstanding radiation and extreme temperatures. Renewable energy systems will power our settlements, offering sustainable solutions that could transform life on Earth as well. These innovations will become the foundation for a new kind of civilization, one that exists in harmony with its surroundings, whether on Earth, Mars, or a distant moon. Looking further ahead, the dream of interstellar travel remains both daunting and exhilarating. The vastness of space, with its unimaginable distances and hidden mysteries, is a reminder of how much we have yet to learn. The nearest stars, light years away, are beacons of possibility, places where planets may harbor life, or where humanity might one day settle. Reaching them will require not only technological breakthroughs, but a level of perseverance and vision that spans generations. It will demand that we embrace the unknown with courage and humility, knowing that the journey itself is as important as the destination. At the same time, interplanetary travel forces us to look inward. It reminds us of the preciousness of our home planet, of the intricate ecosystems that sustain us, and the fragile balance that makes life possible. From the surface of another world, Earth appears as a tiny blue, a reminder of our shared origins and the interconnectedness of all life. This perspective has the power to unite us, to inspire us to protect what we have even as we reach for more. The ethical questions surrounding interplanetary travel will grow more urgent as we progress. How do we explore responsibly, ensuring that we preserve the integrity of the worlds we visit? What happens if we discover life? And how do we approach such a discovery with respect and care? These are questions that will define not just the success of our missions, but the legacy we leave as a species. Exploration is not just about taking. It is about learning, understanding, and contributing to the greater tapestry of the universe. In the end, interplanetary travel is a journey of hope, a belief that humanity's potential is limitless and that our future is as expansive as the universe itself. It is a story of perseverance, creativity, and unity, a reminder that the stars are not just distant lights, but invitations to dream, to explore, and to grow. The challenges ahead are immense, but so are the rewards. With every launch, every discovery, and every new horizon, we move closer to a future where humanity is not just of Earth, but of the cosmos. This is not the end of our story. It is the beginning of something far greater, a journey that will define us for generations to come. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, The journey will inevitably reshape our understanding of life itself. What began as a quest to explore has become a profound reflection of our identity, our resilience, and our shared destiny. Each new world we reach is a reminder of both our capacity to adapt and the challenges we face as stewards of the universe. The lessons learned on alien planets, how to build sustainable habitats, foster cooperation in isolation, and innovate under constraints will not only define our survival in space, but also transform life on Earth. The promise of interstellar travel looms on the horizon, a dream that extends beyond the confines of our solar system. The nearest exoplanets, orbiting distant stars, represent the next great leap for humanity. They call to us with the possibility of new ecosystems, new forms of life, and entirely new beginnings. But the scale of this challenge demands a level of unity and foresight unparalleled in human history. Generational ships, warp drives, or other yet-to-be-discovered propulsion technologies may be required to traverse the light years between stars. These journeys will test our patience, our ingenuity, and our ability to think not in years or decades, but in centuries. And yet, the pursuit of interstellar travel is not just a technical challenge. It is a philosophical one. It forces us to ask profound questions about who we are and what we seek. Are we explorers by nature, destined to roam the stars? Or are we custodians of life, carrying with us the responsibility to nurture and protect it wherever we go? The answers to these questions will guide our approach to space exploration, shaping the legacy we leave behind. As we step into the broader universe, we may find that it reflects us in unexpected ways. The discovery of alien life, be it microbial, intelligent, or something entirely beyond our comprehension, will forever change our understanding of biology, consciousness, and our place in the cosmic order. Such encounters will challenge our perceptions and expand the boundaries of science, philosophy, and spirituality. They will remind us that the universe is not ours to conquer, but to learn from, a vast and intricate system of which we are a small but significant part. Back on Earth, the ripple effects of interplanetary and interstellar travel will be profound. The technologies we develop, the lessons we learn, and the perspectives we gain will shape how we address the challenges of our home planet. Climate change, resource scarcity, and global inequities will no longer seem insurmountable when viewed through the lens of what humanity can achieve when united by a common goal. The skills we hone to survive on Mars or Titan, resilience, adaptability, and innovation, will become the foundation for solving Earth's greatest challenges. Interplanetary travel also offers humanity a chance to reinvent itself. As we establish colonies on other worlds, we have the opportunity to build societies that reflect our highest ideals. These new civilizations can serve as laboratories for experimentation, places where we test new forms of governance, sustainable living, and cooperation. The mistakes of Earth need not be repeated. Instead, they can serve as lessons that guide us toward a brighter future. The stars are no longer out of reach. They're the next step in our evolution. With every mission launched, every rover deployed, and every astronaut sent into the unknown, we move closer to a future where humanity is a multiplanetary, multi-system species. This journey is not just about exploration. It is about growth, understanding, and the unyielding belief that our potential is limitless. The universe is vast, but so is our capacity to dream, to create, and to thrive. As we look to the heavens, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The path to the stars is not a straight one. It is filled with challenges, discoveries, and moments of awe. But it is a path worth taking, for it leads us to a future where humanity's story is no longer confined to a single world, but written across the cosmos. This is the promise of interplanetary travel, a journey that defines who we are and what we can become, a testament to our place among the stars. As humanity continues its journey into the cosmos, the act of exploration becomes more than a scientific pursuit. It becomes a symbol of hope, resilience, and endless curiosity. Each planet visited, each probe sent into the depths of space, represents our collective belief in a future that transcends borders, conflicts, and limitations. The stars are no longer just distant points of light. They are milestones of potential, destinations that call to us with the promise of discovery and transformation. The idea of living on another planet reshapes our understanding of home. Mars, with its rusty landscapes and thin atmosphere, may one day house thriving human settlements, complete with homes, schools, and places of art and innovation. These settlements will be built not just with engineering prowess, but with an understanding of humanity's need for connection, culture, and meaning. Over time, these new worlds will not just support life. They will inspire it, driving us to create, adapt, and evolve in ways we have never imagined. And yet, the journey will not stop there. The moons of Jupiter and Saturn, with their icy surfaces and hidden oceans, beckon with the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life. Europa's subsurface seas could harbor ecosystems unlike anything on Earth, challenging our understanding of biology and reshaping our theories of life's origins. Titan's methane lakes and Enceladus's plumes of water ice are mysteries waiting to be unraveled. These celestial bodies remind us that exploration is not just about reaching. It is about understanding, about becoming a part of something much larger than ourselves. The leap toward interstellar travel, though still distant, begins with every small step we take now. The development of faster propulsion systems, long-term life support, and advanced robotics will pave the way for missions to nearby star systems. Alpha Centauri, with its promise of potentially habitable exoplanets, looms as the next great goal, a challenge that will define humanity's ingenuity and patience. The journey to another star may take generations, requiring us to think not just as individuals or nations, but as a species united by a shared vision. Interstellar travel, when it becomes possible, will fundamentally change our relationship with time, space, and each other. A generation that leaves Earth may never return, their descendants becoming the first true citizens of the cosmos. These voyages will test not just our technology, but our values, forcing us to confront what it means to carry humanity into the stars. What traditions will we preserve? What new cultures will arise in the silence of space? These are questions that only the journey itself can answer. The search for life beyond Earth will continue to drive us forward, not just as a scientific endeavor, but as a philosophical quest. To know that we are not alone, or that we are, will profoundly shape how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. The discovery of even the simplest forms of life elsewhere would redefine our understanding of biology and the conditions under which life can exist. It would remind us of the interconnectedness of all things, from the smallest microbe to the vast galaxies that stretch across the cosmos. As we move further into the universe, the perspective gained from interplanetary travel will continue to shape life on Earth. The fragile beauty of our home planet, seen from the vantage point of another world, will inspire new efforts to preserve and protect it. The technologies we develop for space exploration, renewable energy systems, advanced materials, and sustainable living practices will help us address the challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and global inequality. Space exploration is not a distraction from these issues. It is a way of solving them, of applying what we learn beyond Earth to make life better for all who live on it. In the end, the journey to the stars is not just a journey outward. It is a journey inward. It is a reflection of our deepest desires, our greatest ambitions, and our unshakable belief in the possibility of something greater. Each step forward reminds us of the resilience of the human spirit, of our ability to dream, to create, and to explore. The stars are not just distant lights. They are beacons, guiding us toward a future where humanity's story is no longer confined to one planet, but written across the endless expanse of the cosmos. And so, we continue to reach, to imagine, and to venture forth, knowing that the journey itself is the greatest adventure of all. As we continue our venture into the cosmos, the journey becomes a profound reminder of our shared humanity. Each rocket launch, each probe sent into the void, and each new horizon reached is a collective triumph, showcasing what we can achieve when united by a common purpose. The stars no longer seem like distant, unattainable dreams. They are stepping stones, guiding us toward a future where humanity is not just surviving, but thriving across multiple worlds. The expansion into space will redefine the very essence of who we are. On Mars, where the atmosphere is thin and the soil barren, we will learn to craft a new existence, one that relies on ingenuity and resilience. We will create sustainable habitats, cultivate food in harsh conditions, and develop systems that recycle every drop of water and every breath of air. These efforts will teach us to live not as conquerors of the cosmos, but as stewards, nurturing life in places where it has never existed before. Beyond Mars, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn present challenges that are as thrilling as they are daunting. Europa's hidden oceans may hold the keys to understanding extraterrestrial life, while Titan's methane rivers and nitrogen-rich atmosphere offer insights into the chemical processes that could sustain entirely new forms of existence. Each mission to these distant worlds will push the boundaries of science and technology, unlocking secrets that could reshape our understanding of biology, chemistry, and the origins of life itself. And yet, even as we dream of these worlds, our gaze stretches further, to the exoplanets orbiting distant stars. These planets, with their diverse climates and ecosystems, represent the ultimate frontier. Reaching them will require technological advancements we can barely conceive today. Propulsion systems that can travel at a fraction of the speed of light, life support systems capable of sustaining generations, and perhaps even new ways of thinking about time and space itself. The journey to the stars will not just test our engineering, but our imagination, forcing us to confront what it truly means to explore. With each step outward, we also look inward, reflecting on the responsibility we carry as explorers of the universe. The worlds we visit are pristine, untouched by human hands. How we engage with them will define our legacy. Will we treat them as resources to exploit, or will we approach them with humility and respect, ensuring that our presence enriches rather than diminishes? These ethical questions are as important as the technical challenges, reminding us that exploration is not just about discovery, but about stewardship. The journey into the cosmos will also reshape how we see Earth. From the vantage point of space, our planet is a fragile, interconnected system, a reminder of both its beauty and its vulnerability. The technologies and insights gained from interplanetary travel, renewable energy, sustainable living practices, and advanced materials will help us address the challenges we face at home. Space exploration is not an escape from Earth's problems, but a path to solving them, offering new perspectives and solutions. In the grander scheme, interplanetary travel is humanity's declaration that we refuse to be confined by limitations. It is a testament to our unyielding spirit, our capacity to adapt, and our relentless drive to understand the universe. It is the ultimate expression of hope, a belief that no matter how vast or mysterious the cosmos, we have a place within it. This journey is not just about reaching new worlds. It is about discovering new possibilities for humanity. And so, we move forward, carrying with us the dreams of countless generations who have looked to the stars and wondered. The road ahead is long and filled with challenges, but it is also rich with promise. Each step into the unknown brings us closer to a future where humanity is no longer defined by a single world, but by its presence across the universe. The stars are not the end of our journey. They are the beginning of a story that will span millennia, a story of discovery, connection, and endless exploration. This is humanity's greatest adventure, and it has only just begun. As the journey unfolds, humanity will continue to transform itself, adapting not just to the environments of other worlds, but to the profound new realities of existence beyond Earth. The vast distances we traverse will not only stretch our technologies, but also our minds, forcing us to think in terms of generations, to view time and space as interconnected continuums rather than immediate concerns. This shift in perspective will redefine how we perceive progress, success, and our place in the cosmos. On Mars, thriving settlements will emerge as testaments to our ability to adapt to the harshest conditions. These outposts will no longer be just experiments in survival, but flourishing communities with schools, marketplaces, and places of culture and worship. The children born on Mars may never set foot on Earth, forging new identities shaped by the low gravity, the rust-red skies, and the unique challenges of their environment. They will be the first Martians, not just visitors from Earth, but citizens of a new world. The technological advances that enable these Martian communities will ripple across the solar system. The same ingenuity will allow us to send missions deep into the icy crust of Europa or beneath the thick atmosphere of Titan. On these alien moons, we may encounter ecosystems that are utterly unlike anything we know, entirely new forms of life that challenge our understanding of biology and force us to redefine what it means to be alive. These discoveries will not only enrich science, but also expand our sense of wonder and humility, reminding us that we are part of a much larger cosmic story. Beyond the bounds of our solar system, the pursuit of interstellar travel will ignite a new chapter in human exploration. The sheer scale of such missions will require breakthroughs in propulsion, energy, and perhaps even the harnessing of space-time itself. Ships carrying the seeds of humanity, both literal and figurative, will set out for distant stars, carrying with them the cultures, knowledge, and aspirations of Earth. These interstellar voyages will become generational odysseys, with the crew and their descendants living, learning, and evolving aboard the vessels as they cross the vast gulfs of space. The first contact with an exoplanet will be a moment of unparalleled significance. What will we find? Oceans teeming with alien life? Silent, barren deserts shaped by forces unfamiliar to us? The answers will alter our understanding of the universe, revealing whether life is a unique phenomenon or a common thread woven throughout the cosmos. Even the silence, should we find no evidence of life, will teach us something profound about the rarity and value of what we have on Earth. Yet, with every step outward, we must remember to look inward. The vastness of the universe has a way of making the divisions and conflicts of Earth seem small and insignificant. From the perspective of space, the borders that divide nations dissolve, replaced by the unifying vision of a single planet, our shared home. This perspective, born from interplanetary travel, has the power to reshape how we treat one another and how we care for the fragile world that sustains us. As humanity reaches for the stars, we must also ask ourselves what kind of legacy we wish to leave. The worlds we touch, the ecosystems we encounter, and the civilizations we build will reflect not just our technological prowess, but our character as a species. Will we act as responsible stewards, respectful of the vast cosmic environments we explore? Or will we repeat the mistakes of the past, exploiting and consuming without regard for the consequences? These are questions that must guide our actions as we step further into the universe. Ultimately, the journey into space is not just a quest for knowledge or survival. It is a search for meaning. It is about finding our place in a vast and ancient cosmos, understanding the threads that connect us to the stars and to each other. It is about embracing the challenges of the unknown and transforming them into opportunities for growth, creativity, and connection. As we move forward, we carry with us the hopes of countless generations, the dreams of those who look to the sky and imagine more. The future of interplanetary and interstellar travel is not just a technical achievement. It is the next chapter of humanity's story, a story that will span worlds, systems, and perhaps even galaxies. The stars are not an endpoint. They are a beginning, a reminder that the human spirit is boundless, our curiosity infinite, and our potential limitless. With every step forward, we are not just exploring the universe. We are discovering who we are and who we have the power to become. This is the legacy of our time, a journey that will echo through the ages and across the stars. As humanity's cosmic journey unfolds, the boundaries of what is possible continue to expand, opening new doors to exploration, connection, and profound transformation. The stars, once distant and untouchable, are now within reach, not just as destinations, but as symbols of our collective spirit, a reflection of our innate drive to push beyond the limits of the known. This endeavor, as monumental as it is, forces us to grapple with questions that define our existence. Who are we as a species? And who will we become as we scatter across the vast expanse of the cosmos? The colonization of Mars and other worlds will be more than a test of survival. It will be an exercise in redefining human identity. What will culture look like on a planet where the rhythms of day and night, seasons, and gravity differ so greatly from Earth? How will our art, music, language, and traditions evolve in response to these alien environments? The first Martian cities will become living laboratories, where humanity's adaptability is tested not only physically, but emotionally and socially. New customs will emerge, shaped by the unique challenges and opportunities of life beyond Earth, forming a new chapter in the story of civilization. Meanwhile, Our technological advancements will continue to push the boundaries of exploration. On Europa, robotic submarines will navigate the icy oceans, searching for life beneath its frozen crust. On Titan, aerial drones will soar through its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, mapping an alien world of methane lakes and hydrocarbon dunes. Each mission will add to the growing mosaic of knowledge, revealing the incredible diversity of worlds within our own solar system and hinting at the possibilities that lie beyond. The eventual leap to interstellar travel will mark the boldest step humanity has ever taken. To journey to another star system is to embrace the ultimate challenge, a journey that spans not just light years, but generations. The pioneers of interstellar exploration will embark on missions that may outlast their own lifetimes, knowing they are part of something far greater than themselves. These voyages will redefine our relationship with time, teaching us patience and resilience in the face of vast distances and immense uncertainties. As we reach for distant exoplanets, the prospect of encountering other forms of life becomes ever more tangible. What will it mean if we discover we are not alone? The discovery of intelligent life, or even microbial organisms, would transform not only science but also philosophy, religion, and every aspect of how we view ourselves. It would challenge our understanding of life's uniqueness and expand the boundaries of what we consider possible. Conversely, if the cosmos proves silent and lifeless, it will underscore the rarity and preciousness of our existence, deepening our responsibility to protect and nurture life wherever we find it. Through it all, Earth will remain the foundation of our identity. No matter how far we travel, the memory of our home planet, its blue oceans, green forests, and vibrant diversity, will be etched into the heart of every explorer. The perspective gained from living among the stars will only enhance our appreciation for Earth, motivating us to preserve its beauty and ensure its future. Space exploration will teach us not only how to adapt to new worlds, but also how to better care for the one that gave us life. The ethical questions of interplanetary and interstellar travel will demand constant reflection. As we expand into the universe, we must approach each new world with humility, recognizing that our actions have consequences far beyond our immediate understanding. The preservation of alien ecosystems, the respect for potential extraterrestrial life, and the sustainable use of resources will define the moral compass of this era. How we choose to explore will shape not just our legacy as a species, but our place within the broader tapestry of the cosmos. In the end, humanity's journey to the stars is more than a quest for survival or knowledge. It is a testament to our boundless potential. It is a declaration that we are not content to remain static, that we will always seek to learn, to grow, and to reach for what lies beyond. The universe is vast, its mysteries infinite, but so too is our capacity for wonder and discovery. Each step into the unknown brings us closer to understanding not only the cosmos, but ourselves. As the stars become destinations, humanity's story expands into a cosmic epic, one that transcends borders, planets, and even time. This is not the conclusion of our journey, but its beginning, a promise that we will continue to explore, to dream, and to evolve. The stars are waiting, and with each passing moment, we move closer to claiming our place among them, shaping a future as limitless as the universe itself. As humanity pushes further into the cosmos, the journey itself becomes an ever-unfolding testament to our ingenuity, courage, and insatiable curiosity. Each step into the vastness of space redefines not just what we are capable of, but who we are as a species. The stars, once distant markers of possibility, are becoming integral to the narrative of human existence, a narrative that transcends planetary borders and temporal limitations, weaving humanity's story into the fabric of the universe. The expansion into space will inevitably create new cultures, shaped by the environments of the worlds we inhabit. On Mars, where every resource is precious and every decision vital to survival, a culture of efficiency and collaboration will emerge. Traditions tied to Earth, like gathering under open skies or celebrating the rhythms of its seasons, will evolve in response to the realities of a new planet. Lunar settlers, with their proximity to Earth, but their isolation in the stark silence of the moon, will create societies uniquely attuned to the duality of being so close yet so far from their home world. These cultural shifts will not fragment humanity, but enrich it, diversifying the ways we understand and express our shared human experience. The technical challenges of colonizing these worlds will drive innovation that benefits not only space exploration, but also life on Earth. The closed-loop systems developed to sustain life on Mars, where water, air, and nutrients are continuously recycled, will inspire sustainable solutions for resource management on our home planet. Advances in energy generation, agriculture, and medicine, driven by the demands of living in space, will ripple back to Earth, addressing global challenges and improving the quality of life for millions. As we push further, the icy moons of Europa and Enceladus, with their hidden oceans, promise discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of life itself. Robotic explorers will pierce their frozen crusts, seeking signs of microbial life thriving in these alien seas. A single discovery, a microbial colony, a strange organism clinging to hydrothermal vents, would confirm that life is not unique to Earth and might exist wherever the conditions allow. Such a discovery would not only answer one of humanity's oldest questions, but also reinforce the universality of life as a phenomenon of the cosmos. The leap toward interstellar exploration will represent the boldest endeavor yet, a commitment to cross the unfathomable distances between stars. Such missions will challenge our imagination, requiring propulsion systems capable of traveling at significant fractions of the speed of light and the ability to sustain human life for generations aboard spacecraft that function as self-contained worlds. These generational ships will become microcosms of human society, carrying the seeds of Earth's biodiversity, culture, and knowledge into the unknown. The people who undertake these journeys will not just be explorers. They will be architects of a future unbound by planetary constraints. The ethical dimensions of these endeavors will remain at the forefront of our efforts. The worlds we reach, whether lifeless or teeming with life, demand respect and responsibility. The prospect of encountering intelligent civilizations raises profound questions about how we interact with beings whose perspectives and priorities may differ drastically from our own. The act of exploring must be guided by humility, a recognition that we are not the masters of the universe, but participants in a much larger cosmic community. Through all these ventures, Earth will remain our touchstone, a reminder of where we began and what we carry with us into the stars. The view of Earth from space, a fragile blue sphere suspended in an infinite void, will continue to inspire a sense of unity and stewardship. It will remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of preserving the world that made our journey possible. Interplanetary and interstellar travel is not just about expanding our physical horizons. It is about expanding the boundaries of human potential. It is a testament to our ability to imagine and create futures that once seemed impossible. As we forge new paths among the stars, we are not merely exploring. We are becoming something greater, builders of civilizations that reflect the best of who we are, dreamers who refuse to be confined by what is, and pioneers charting a course for what could be. The universe is vast, but it is not empty. It is filled with possibilities, with mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and with the promise of a future where humanity is a vibrant, multiplanetary species. The journey to the stars is far from over. It has only just begun. And with each new discovery, each world reached, and each boundary crossed, we take another step toward our ultimate destiny, to embrace the infinite and to claim our place among the stars as creators, explorers, and stewards of the cosmos. As humanity journeys further into the cosmos, the path forward becomes a tapestry of challenges and triumphs, each thread woven with the determination to transcend what was once thought impossible. The stars, long a source of wonder, are no longer just points of light. They are destinations, filled with opportunities to explore, create, and thrive. Every spacecraft launched, every colony established, and every discovery made is a step toward a future where humanity's story spans the vastness of the universe. The expansion to other worlds will inevitably reshape our relationship with Earth and with each other. Mars will teach us resourcefulness, as settlers transform its barren surface into habitable landscapes through ingenuity and collaboration. The Moon, close yet distant, will serve as a proving ground for technologies and social structures that will one day support interplanetary societies. And as we develop these new worlds, we will create cultures deeply connected to the environments in which they evolve. Cultures that honor the ingenuity required to survive and celebrate the shared human spirit that brought them into being. These interplanetary societies will challenge our concepts of identity and unity. How will humanity define itself when Earth is no longer the sole cradle of civilization? Will Martian-born children see themselves as Earthlings or as something new? What bonds will unite communities separated by millions of kilometers of space? These questions will shape the next era of human existence, forcing us to redefine belonging in the context of a multiplanetary species. As our reach extends to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, the search for extraterrestrial life will take on new urgency. Beneath the frozen crust of Europa, where oceans stretch into the dark unknown, robotic explorers may one day uncover microbial life, revealing that we are not alone in the universe. The implications of such a discovery would be profound, altering not only science, but philosophy and theology. It would remind us that life is a cosmic phenomenon, not confined to Earth, but woven into the fabric of the universe itself. The leap to interstellar travel will mark a turning point in humanity's journey. Reaching the stars will require unprecedented innovation, harnessing energy sources we can scarcely imagine today, developing propulsion systems that bend the rules of physics, and creating habitats capable of supporting life for generations. These missions, spanning lifetimes, will test the limits of human endurance and imagination. Those who embark on such voyages will not just be explorers, but the architects of humanity's presence among the stars, carrying the essence of Earth to worlds light years away. The ethical dimensions of this journey will grow ever more complex. As we touch new worlds, we must decide how to engage with them responsibly. If we find life, how do we ensure its protection? If we encounter intelligent beings, how do we communicate and coexist? These questions demand humility and a recognition that humanity is part of a much larger cosmic ecosystem. Our actions will echo across time, shaping not only our legacy, but the future of the universe itself. Through it all, Earth will remain our anchor. The view of our home planet from space, a fragile, luminous sphere suspended in the vastness of the cosmos, will serve as a constant reminder of our origins and our interconnectedness. The technologies and philosophies developed for space exploration will find their way back to Earth, addressing challenges such as climate change, resource scarcity, and global inequity. Space travel will not only expand our horizons, but also deepen our understanding of the importance of nurturing the world that made it all possible. Interstellar travel will take humanity into uncharted realms, but it will also bring us closer to understanding the essence of our existence. As we stand on the surface of alien worlds, gazing at unfamiliar skies, we will confront the enormity of the universe and our place within it. This perspective will inspire awe, curiosity, and a renewed commitment to preserving and advancing the miracle of life. The journey to the stars is not merely a scientific endeavor. It is an act of hope, a declaration that humanity's potential is as limitless as the universe itself. With each step forward, we are not only exploring the cosmos, but also shaping the future of our species. The stars call to us, not as distant observers, but as beacons of possibility, inviting us to dream, to create, and to thrive in ways we have yet to imagine. This is our moment, our greatest adventure, and the beginning of a story that will span not just centuries, but millennia, as humanity claims its rightful place among the stars. And so, humanity moves forward, carrying with it the hopes, dreams, and boundless potential of a species determined to embrace the infinite. Each step into the cosmos brings new discoveries that challenge our understanding of existence and remind us of the vast, untapped possibilities that lie beyond our familiar horizons. The stars, no longer unreachable, become bridges to a future where humanity transcends its earthly origins, evolving into a civilization capable of thriving among the celestial expanses. As the first permanent settlements take root on Mars, the Moon, and beyond, humanity begins to redefine the concept of home. These new worlds, once thought hostile and barren, will transform into cradles of innovation, where science and culture intertwine to meet the demands of survival and flourishing. The children of these new frontiers will grow up with a view of Earth as a distant, shimmering jewel, a symbol of their heritage and a reminder of their shared connection to humanity's birthplace. The process of living and thriving in these alien environments will unlock potential we have yet to imagine. Our ability to terraform barren landscapes, recycle resources with unparalleled efficiency, and sustain life in the harshest conditions will not only propel us further into space, but also offer solutions to Earth's most pressing challenges. These innovations will reflect humanity's resilience and ingenuity, proving that we are not just creatures of adaptation, but creators of possibility. Beyond the physical expansion, the philosophical implications of interplanetary and interstellar exploration will deepen. Gazing up at alien skies or watching unfamiliar constellations drift across the heavens will spark profound questions about identity, purpose, and belonging. How will humanity define itself when Earth becomes just one of many homes? What values will guide us as we create societies and worlds shaped by different natural laws and rhythms? These questions will form the backbone of humanity's cosmic evolution. The search for life beyond Earth will also become an integral part of our journey. Whether we find microbes in Europa's oceans, exotic ecosystems on Titan, or intelligent civilizations orbiting distant stars, each discovery will fundamentally alter our understanding of biology, consciousness, and our place in the universe. Even the absence of life will hold profound meaning, emphasizing the rarity of our existence and the responsibility we carry to preserve and nurture it wherever we go. Interstellar travel, once a distant dream, will become a reality driven by necessity and ambition. Ships capable of traversing the light years between stars will carry humanity's essence, our cultures, knowledge, and values into the unknown. These generational voyages will challenge us to think beyond immediate goals, fostering a long-term perspective that prioritizes collaboration and sustainability. The societies aboard these starships will become microcosms of human potential, proving that even in isolation, humanity can innovate, adapt, and flourish. As we expand further into the cosmos, the ethical challenges of exploration will grow ever more urgent. How do we protect the pristine environments of other worlds? What obligations do we have to potential extraterrestrial life? How do we balance our drive to explore with the need for stewardship and respect? These questions will guide our actions, ensuring that our legacy is one of responsible exploration rather than exploitation. Amid these ventures, Earth will remain a constant touchstone, its fragile beauty a reminder of where we began and what we have learned. The view of our home from space will inspire unity, a recognition that no matter how far we travel, we are all part of the same story. The challenges we overcome to reach the stars will also inform how we address the challenges of Earth, fostering solutions that benefit both our planet and the new worlds we touch. In the grand arc of human history, the era of interplanetary and interstellar travel will be seen as a turning point, a time when humanity embraced its potential and reached for the infinite. The stars, once symbols of the unknown, will become markers of our progress, each one a testament to our courage and creativity. This journey is not an end, but a beginning, a promise that humanity will continue to evolve, explore, and dream. The cosmos stretches endlessly before us, a canvas for our aspirations and a stage for our greatest achievements. With every step into the unknown, we reaffirm our place in the universe, not as conquerors, but as participants in a vast, interconnected story. The stars are waiting, and humanity, driven by its unyielding spirit, is ready to answer their call. This is the legacy we are building, one that will endure for millennia, a story written across the endless expanse of the cosmos. As humanity ventures ever deeper into the cosmos, our journey becomes a testament to the power of imagination and perseverance. Each new milestone, be it the establishment of thriving colonies on Mars, the discovery of alien life beneath Europa's icy crust, or the first successful journey to a distant star system, redefines what it means to be human. The act of reaching for the stars transforms us, expanding our horizons and uniting us in ways we may never have thought possible. The first interplanetary civilizations will forge new ways of living, blending the ancient knowledge of Earth with the innovations born of necessity in these alien environments. On Mars, settlers will craft communities centered on sustainability and cooperation, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of a planet so starkly different yet familiar in its promise. On Titan, the thick haze of hydrocarbons will inspire scientific breakthroughs and cultural adaptations as humanity learns to thrive in the cold, distant reaches of the solar system. As the realities of interstellar travel come closer, humanity will face its greatest challenges and its most profound questions. What will it mean to embark on journeys that span lifetimes, where those who begin the voyage will never see its conclusion? How will communities aboard generational starships preserve their sense of purpose and identity, isolated from Earth and the worlds they left behind? These missions will demand not just technological ingenuity, but also a deep understanding of psychology, culture, and the resilience of the human spirit. The potential discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life will bring with it a new era of philosophical and ethical inquiry. What will it mean to communicate with beings who evolved under entirely different conditions, with minds that may operate in ways we cannot yet fathom? Such an encounter would challenge every assumption we hold about consciousness, culture, and the nature of existence. It would force humanity to see itself not as the center of the universe, but as one small part of an infinite and interconnected whole. Even as we stretch outward, the lessons of interplanetary travel will reshape life on Earth. The technologies developed for survival in the most hostile environments, closed-loop ecosystems, advanced energy systems, and resource-efficient living, will offer solutions to our planet's greatest challenges. The perspective gained from seeing Earth as a pale blue, a fragile oasis in the vast darkness, will inspire renewed efforts to protect and cherish the world that gave us life. The ethical responsibilities of space exploration will grow ever more pressing as humanity expands its reach. How do we ensure that we leave the environments we touch unharmed? How do we balance the drive to explore with the need to preserve the integrity of other worlds? These questions will shape the moral framework of humanity's presence in the cosmos, ensuring that our legacy is one of stewardship rather than exploitation. In the distant future, when the first humans stand on a planet orbiting a star light years from Earth, they will carry with them the stories of those who dreamed of such a moment. They will look back across the vast expanse of space to the star that gave rise to their existence and understand, perhaps more profoundly than ever before, the interconnectedness of all life. That moment will not mark an end, but a continuation, a promise that humanity's journey is far from over, that there are always new horizons to explore and new questions to answer. The stars are infinite, and so too is humanity's potential. Each step forward, each challenge overcome, and each discovery made brings us closer to realizing a future where the boundaries of our existence are defined not by the limits of a single planet, but by the endless possibilities of the cosmos. This is the story of humanity's greatest adventure, a journey that will echo through time and space, uniting us in our shared quest to understand, to create, and to thrive among the stars. As the journey continues, humanity's place in the cosmos will solidify, not just as explorers, but as contributors to the grand narrative of the universe. Each new colony, discovery, and interaction will weave us deeper into the fabric of the stars, reminding us that our existence is both fragile and extraordinary. The very act of reaching for the unknown will transform our collective identity, binding us with a shared purpose that transcends borders, generations, and even planets. The first human footsteps on an exoplanet will symbolize more than technological triumph. They will mark a turning point in our understanding of what it means to be alive. These distant worlds, with their unfamiliar skies and alien ecosystems, will challenge us to rethink the boundaries of possibility. How will we adapt to a place where the sun is a different star, where the day and night cycles defy our biological rhythms? Each new settlement will not only be a feat of engineering, but also a testament to humanity's unparalleled ability to adapt and thrive. The cultural shifts born from interstellar travel will be profound. As generations live and die aboard starships or on alien worlds, their customs, art, and philosophies will evolve, shaped by the unique challenges and beauty of their surroundings. These new societies will honor Earth as their ancestral home, while forging identities uniquely their own, blending the traditions of their origins with the innovations of their new lives. Humanity will no longer be defined solely by its connection to Earth, but by its ability to create meaning and connection wherever it goes. Meanwhile, the search for life beyond Earth will continue to fuel our curiosity and redefine our understanding of the universe. Whether we discover simple organisms in the oceans of Europa, complex ecosystems on distant exoplanets, or advanced civilizations among the stars, each revelation will expand the boundaries of science and philosophy. The confirmation of life beyond Earth, whether familiar or incomprehensibly alien, will challenge our perceptions of biology, consciousness, and our place in the cosmic order. It will force us to ask not just where we came from, but what we are capable of becoming. The ethical dimensions of exploration will remain central to humanity's expansion into the cosmos. How do we engage with alien ecosystems without causing harm? What responsibilities do we have to potential extraterrestrial life? As we plant our flags on new worlds, we must also plant the seeds of responsibility, ensuring that our actions reflect not just ambition, but also wisdom and care. These principles will define not just how we explore, but who we are as stewards of the universe. Even as we stretch farther into space, the lessons learned from interplanetary travel will resonate deeply on Earth. The technologies developed to sustain life on Mars, the Moon, and beyond, renewable energy systems, resource recycling, and habitat design, will transform how we live on our home planet. The perspective gained from viewing Earth as a fragile, interconnected whole will inspire renewed efforts to address global challenges, from climate change to inequality. Space exploration will not just be humanity's escape, it will be its guide to building a better world. The long-term vision of interstellar travel will further unite humanity in a shared quest that transcends individual ambitions. The journey to another star will require not just technological ingenuity, but also an unprecedented level of cooperation and vision. Generational starships, carrying the hopes and dreams of Earth, will embark on voyages that span centuries, their crews becoming the pioneers of a new era of human existence. These missions will redefine time itself, teaching us patience and perseverance on a scale previously unimaginable. And when humanity finally reaches the stars, it will look back on this moment in history as the beginning of something extraordinary. The first steps into space, the first settlements on other worlds, and the first discoveries of alien life will be seen as the foundation of a future where the universe is not just observed but inhabited. The stars will no longer be distant and unknowable. They will be home. This journey is humanity's greatest endeavor, a testament to our unyielding spirit and boundless potential. With each step forward, we write a story that spans galaxies and epochs, a story of curiosity, resilience, and hope. The cosmos is infinite, but so is our ability to dream, to create, and to thrive. And as we continue to venture forth, we carry with us the promise that the journey will never end, for the stars are only the beginning of what humanity can achieve. As humanity ventures ever deeper into the cosmos, the journey takes on a life of its own, growing beyond any individual generation or goal. The stars, once symbols of unreachable mystery, become destinations and homes, their light guiding humanity to new chapters of discovery and evolution. Each step forward reaffirms that we are not merely inhabitants of Earth, but participants in a grand, unfolding cosmic narrative, a story shaped by exploration, ingenuity, and the unrelenting desire to know more. The thriving settlements on Mars, the Moon, and distant moons like Europa and Titan will be more than scientific achievements. They will be testaments to humanity's ability to adapt, cooperate, and innovate. These outposts will evolve into rich, self-sustaining communities, each with its own culture and traditions, shaped by the unique challenges of living far from Earth. The red sands of Mars may become the backdrop for new art and music, while the icy plains of Europa inspire stories that reflect humanity's resilience and creativity. These new societies will remind us that no matter how alien the environment, the human spirit is capable of flourishing. Interstellar travel will push this spirit to its limits, demanding unprecedented advancements in science and a reimagining of what it means to live, work, and dream in the infinite expanse of space. Generational starships will set out for distant stars, carrying not just people, but the hopes of a species determined to transcend its origins. These voyages will challenge us to think beyond immediate goals, fostering a sense of responsibility and patience that spans centuries. The travelers on these missions will be pioneers, not only exploring the physical reaches of space, but also redefining humanity's relationship with time, identity, and purpose. The discovery of alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, will mark a profound turning point in this journey. Such an event will redefine the boundaries of biology and consciousness, forcing us to rethink our place in the universe. The knowledge that life exists beyond Earth will transform how we view ourselves, shifting our focus from individual struggles to our shared existence within a vast, interconnected cosmos. If we encounter intelligent civilizations, the questions will deepen. How do we communicate? What can we learn from each other? And how do we ensure that such encounters are guided by respect, curiosity, and the recognition of shared potential? Even in the absence of life, the exploration of other worlds will continue to inspire awe and wonder. The landscapes of alien planets, shaped by forces and timescales beyond human comprehension, will teach us to see the universe as both vast and intimately connected to our own existence. Every barren desert, every methane lake, and every ice-covered ocean will remind us of the incredible diversity of the cosmos and our ability to uncover its secrets. Throughout this journey, Earth will remain our anchor, a reminder of where we came from and a testament to the fragile beauty of our origins. The view of Earth from space will inspire generations to protect its ecosystems, address its challenges, and preserve it as a beacon of life. The technologies and insights gained from living on other planets will ripple back, transforming how we approach sustainability, energy, and resource management on Earth. Space exploration will not just expand our horizons, but also deepen our commitment to nurturing the planet that made it all possible. The ethical dimensions of this cosmic journey will grow more complex as humanity spreads further into the universe. Each new discovery and settlement will bring questions about our responsibilities to the environments we touch, the life forms we may encounter, and the legacy we leave behind. The principles of stewardship, respect, and humility will guide our actions, ensuring that exploration is not just an expression of ambition, but a testament to wisdom and care. As we look to the future, it becomes clear that the journey to the stars is not about an endpoint, but about the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The cosmos offers infinite opportunities for learning, growth, and connection, and humanity's role within it is just beginning to unfold. Each step forward, each new horizon reached, and each question answered opens the door to even greater mysteries and adventures. The story of humanity's expansion into the cosmos is a story of hope, a declaration that we are not bound by our limitations, but defined by our ability to overcome them. It is a reminder that the universe is not a vast, empty void, but a canvas for our dreams, a place where we can build, create, and thrive. And as we continue this journey, we carry with us the knowledge that the stars are not just destinations. They are invitations to imagine, to grow, and to become something greater than we ever thought possible. This is humanity's ultimate legacy, a species united by its curiosity, driven by its creativity, and destined to explore. The stars await, and as we step into their light, we are reminded that this journey is infinite, bound only by the limits of our imagination and the courage to reach beyond. The universe is vast, but so is the human spirit, and together, we will continue to write a story that spans not just worlds and stars, but the very fabric of the cosmos itself. As humanity continues its journey through the cosmos, the story of exploration becomes a timeless thread connecting generations, planets, and civilizations. Each step forward carries the legacy of those who dared to dream and the promise of those who will follow. The vastness of a universe, once an intimidating void, now reveals itself as an endless realm of opportunity, a canvas for humanity's ingenuity, resilience, and hope. The colonies on Mars and the Moon will evolve into thriving hubs of culture and innovation. These communities, born out of necessity, will develop unique identities shaped by the challenges of their environments. On Mars, life beneath protective domes and artificial atmospheres will foster a new appreciation for the fragility and adaptability of human life. Martian art, inspired by the planet's red landscapes and towering dust storms, will reflect the profound connection between survival and creativity. On the Moon, the constant proximity to Earth will inspire a duality of culture, one grounded in the familiar and the other embracing the stark, quiet beauty of the lunar surface. As humanity expands to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, the search for life will become central to our cosmic endeavors. Beneath the icy crust of Europa, robotic submarines will explore vast oceans, searching for signs of alien ecosystems that thrive in complete darkness. On Titan, methane lakes and rivers will inspire missions to uncover the chemical possibilities for life beyond water. Each discovery, whether life is found or not, will deepen our understanding of the conditions that allow existence to flourish and the role humanity plays in the grand tapestry of the universe. Interstellar travel, once a distant dream, will become a tangible reality. The development of propulsion systems capable of reaching distant stars will usher in a new era of exploration, Generational starships, carrying entire communities of pioneers, will embark on voyages spanning centuries. These vessels will become microcosms of human ingenuity, blending advanced technology with the traditions and cultures of Earth. The people on these missions will not just be explorers. They will be builders of a future where humanity is no longer confined to a single star system. The discovery of life on other planets, or the realization that we are alone, will shape the course of human history. If we find evidence of alien civilizations, it will transform our understanding of communication, coexistence, and the universality of life. Such encounters will challenge us to redefine what it means to be human in a universe shared with others. If, on the other hand, the cosmos proves silent, it will underscore the preciousness of life on Earth and the immense responsibility we carry to preserve and nurture it. The perspective gained from exploring the stars will reshape our priorities and values. Seeing Earth as a fragile oasis against the backdrop of infinite space will inspire renewed efforts to protect its ecosystems and address its challenges. The technologies developed for living sustainably on other worlds, efficient resource use, renewable energy, and closed-loop systems, will transform life on Earth, offering solutions to problems that once seemed insurmountable. As humanity spreads further into the cosmos, the ethical dimensions of exploration will grow increasingly complex. Every new world we touch will pose questions about stewardship and responsibility. How do we ensure that our presence does not harm the environments we encounter? How do we balance the drive to explore with the need to preserve? These questions will guide our actions, ensuring that our legacy is one of care and respect rather than exploitation. In the distant future, when humanity looks back on this era, it will be seen as the beginning of a new chapter, a time when we chose to embrace the unknown, to push beyond the limits of our understanding, and to define ourselves not by our boundaries but by our potential. The stars, once symbols of mystery, will become markers of our progress, each one a reminder of how far we've come and how far we have yet to go. The journey to the stars is not just a quest for knowledge. It is a celebration of what it means to be human. It is a testament to our curiosity, our creativity, and our unyielding belief in the power of possibility. Each new discovery, each world colonized, and each horizon reached brings us closer to realizing a future where humanity thrives across the cosmos. The stars are waiting, and as we continue to explore, we carry with us the promise of infinite growth, endless learning, and a shared destiny written among the stars. This is the story of humanity, not just as inhabitants of Earth, but as citizens of the universe. As the journey unfolds, humanity's presence among the stars will evolve into something far greater than exploration alone. It will become a profound act of creation. Every colony established, every starship launched, and every discovery made will add to a growing legacy of resilience, ingenuity, and connection. The stars, once a distant dream, will become intertwined with our identity, shaping not only how we live but who we are as a species. The societies of the future will reflect the diversity and creativity of humanity, molded by the unique challenges and wonders of their environments. Martian settlements will thrive under domes and underground habitats, building economies and cultures adapted to the rhythms of a planet with days just a little longer than Earth's. On the icy worlds of Europa and Enceladus, scientific outposts will become the epicenters of groundbreaking discoveries about life in the universe. Each of these communities will retain ties to Earth, but their customs, values, and ways of thinking will grow increasingly distinct, forming new branches of the human story. Interstellar travel will mark humanity's boldest leap yet. As generational starships set out for distant exoplanets, they will carry with them the essence of Earth, our art, science, and philosophies, preserving the richness of our civilization while adapting to the needs of life in the void. These voyages, spanning centuries, will test humanity's capacity for patience and perseverance. They will also demand unparalleled innovation, requiring self-sustaining ecosystems, advanced propulsion technologies, and social systems capable of fostering harmony over generations. The first exoplanetary colonies will emerge as symbols of human tenacity and vision. On these alien worlds, settlers will face challenges far beyond those encountered on Mars or the Moon. The light of unfamiliar stars, the pull of different gravitational forces, and the alien chemistry of soil and air will all force humanity to adapt in ways we can barely imagine. Yet, it is here, on these far-flung planets, that humanity will truly begin to fulfill its cosmic potential, forging a future that transcends Earth's boundaries. The search for life beyond our solar system will remain a cornerstone of exploration. Whether we discover microbial organisms beneath alien seas or intelligent civilizations among the stars, each encounter will redefine the boundaries of science and philosophy. The realization that we are not alone, or that we are, will shape humanity's sense of purpose and deepen our connection to the universe. If we find life, it will challenge us to communicate and coexist. If the universe proves silent, it will remind us of the rarity and preciousness of life on Earth, underscoring the responsibility we carry as its stewards. Even as humanity spreads across the cosmos, Earth will remain our anchor, a place of memory and meaning. The view of our planet from space will continue to inspire reverence and unity, reinforcing the idea that all life is interconnected. The technologies and philosophies developed for living sustainably on other worlds will revolutionize life on Earth, addressing challenges like climate change, resource depletion, and inequality. The lessons of space will teach us how to live better, not just on distant planets, but on our home world as well. The ethical dimensions of space exploration will guide humanity's actions as it encounters new worlds and ecosystems. The principle of stewardship will become central to our endeavors, ensuring that exploration is driven by curiosity and respect rather than exploitation. Every decision, to terraform or preserve, to settle or observe, will carry the weight of responsibility, shaping not just our legacy, but the universe we leave for future generations. As humanity continues its journey, the stars will cease to be boundaries. They will become bridges, connecting us to a vast, shared destiny. The galaxies, with their billions of suns and untold mysteries, will offer endless opportunities for growth, learning, and wonder. This is not the end of humanity's story, but its true beginning. A story that spans not just centuries, but eons, not just planets, but entire star systems. The journey to the stars is a journey of hope. It is a declaration that humanity's potential is as limitless as the cosmos itself, a testament to our capacity to dream, to create, and to thrive. With each new discovery, each challenge overcome, and each horizon reached, we step closer to a future where the universe is not just a backdrop, but a home. The stars await, and as humanity ventures forth, it does so with the knowledge that its journey is infinite, its possibilities boundless, and its destiny written among the stars. As humanity continues to push the boundaries of existence, our journey among the stars evolves into a profound exploration of identity, purpose, and connection. Each step deeper into the cosmos reinforces a truth we have long suspected. Our greatest potential lies not in what we leave behind, but in the new worlds, ideas, and futures we create. The stars, once distant and mysterious, now serve as the stage for a civilization that refuses to be confined by the limitations of its beginnings. The communities that take root on other planets will reflect the infinite adaptability of humanity. On Mars, settlers will transform their survival strategies into thriving ecosystems, building cities that blend advanced technology with the resourcefulness of a frontier spirit. Beneath Europa's icy shell, scientists and explorers will find inspiration in the hidden oceans, shaping a way of life that harmonizes with the alien environments they uncover. Each colony will act as a mirror, reflecting the shared ingenuity of Earth while forging new identities uniquely shaped by their distant homes. Interstellar exploration will cement humanity's role as a cosmic pioneer. The generational ships sent to distant stars will become floating worlds of their own, blending advanced engineering with the traditions and aspirations of those aboard. On these journeys, humanity will confront the challenges of distance and time, reimagining what it means to exist as a species united by purpose. Even as our descendants aboard these ships evolve into entirely new expressions of humanity. Each starship will carry with it the DNA of Earth, its history, culture, and knowledge, serving as ambassadors of a planet that dared to dream beyond itself. The first exoplanetary colonies will be profound symbols of transformation and possibility. Under the light of unfamiliar stars, settlers will adapt to ecosystems shaped by forces far removed from Earth's influence. Gravity, atmospheres, and climates alien to human experience will demand creativity and resilience, forging communities that thrive not despite their challenges, but because of them. These new worlds will serve as crucibles of human evolution, reshaping our understanding of what it means to be alive, to belong, and to grow. The search for extraterrestrial life will remain central to our exploration. The discovery of even the simplest forms of alien life will transform not just our science, but our philosophy and spirituality, forcing us to reevaluate humanity's place in the universe. If intelligent civilizations are found, the possibilities for dialogue, collaboration, and shared discovery will redefine the boundaries of human potential. If the cosmos remains silent, it will only deepen our appreciation for the rarity and significance of life on Earth, reinforcing our role as its caretakers and champions. Earth itself will remain a cornerstone of humanity's identity. No matter how far we travel, the sight of our home planet will inspire reverence and responsibility. The lessons learned in space, how to build sustainable systems, thrive in challenging environments, and value every resource, will return to Earth as solutions to its most pressing challenges. Space exploration will not be an escape from Earth's struggles, but a source of insight and innovation that strengthens our ability to care for the world that gave us life. As humanity ventures further, the ethical responsibilities of exploration will grow ever more complex. How we choose to interact with the untouched environments we encounter will define not only our legacy, but the future of the universe itself. The principles of preservation, respect, and stewardship will guide us, ensuring that our actions honor the interconnectedness of all existence. In the distant future, When humanity has become a multiplanetary and interstellar species, we will look back on this era as the dawn of our cosmic identity. The courage to reach for the stars, the determination to overcome the unknown, and the creativity to build new worlds will be remembered as defining moments in our story. The challenges we face today will be seen as the foundations of a future where the universe is not just observed but inhabited. The stars are infinite, and so too is humanity's potential. Each new discovery, each world explored, and each horizon reached is a step closer to a future where the universe is our home. This journey is more than exploration. It is an act of creation, a testament to the boundless possibilities of the human spirit. As we continue to write our story among the stars, we are reminded that the cosmos is not a final destination, but an endless frontier, waiting for us to shape its future with our dreams, our actions, and our hope. The stars are calling, and humanity is ready to answer, one step at a time, toward a destiny as limitless as the universe itself. As humanity advances further into the cosmos, the journey evolves into something far greater than exploration alone. It becomes a testament to our collective ambition, creativity, and resilience. Each new milestone, whether it is the first thriving exoplanet colony, the development of generational starships, or the discovery of alien life, reinforces our place not just as observers of the universe, but as active participants in its unfolding story. The stars are no longer distant goals. They are extensions of our potential, waiting for us to leave our mark. The civilizations that emerge on distant worlds will be unlike anything humanity has known. On exoplanets orbiting stars light years from Earth, settlers will create societies that blend human ingenuity with the unique characteristics of their environments. Gravity, atmosphere, and resources will shape new ways of living, working, and thinking. These communities will honor their earthly heritage while forging cultures and identities that reflect their new homes. They will be the pioneers of a humanity no longer defined by a single planet, but by its adaptability and diversity across the cosmos. Generational starships, traveling between stars, will become crucibles of human innovation and endurance. On board these vessels, entire societies will develop over centuries, bound by the shared purpose of reaching new worlds. The descendants of the original crew will inherit not only the mission, but also the stories, traditions, and knowledge passed down through generations. These journeys will redefine the human relationship with time and space, teaching us patience, resilience, and the importance of community in the vast emptiness of the universe. The discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations, should it happen, will be one of the most transformative events in human history. Such an encounter would challenge every assumption about life, consciousness, and communication. It would force us to confront profound questions. How do we engage with beings who see the universe differently? What can we learn from their experiences? And how do we ensure that our interactions are guided by mutual respect and curiosity rather than fear or domination? The answers to these questions will shape the moral and philosophical foundations of humanity's presence in the cosmos. Even in the absence of alien contact, the act of exploration will continue to inspire awe and wonder. The landscapes of distant planets, shaped by forces and timescales beyond human comprehension, will remind us of the universe's infinite complexity and beauty. Each new world will expand our understanding of what is possible, revealing the boundless creativity of nature itself. Through all of this, Earth will remain the heart of humanity's identity. No matter how far we travel, our home planet will serve as a reminder of our shared origins and interconnectedness. The perspective gained from living among the stars will inspire renewed efforts to protect Earth's ecosystems, solve its challenges, and preserve its beauty for future generations. Space exploration will not only expand our horizons, but also deepen our commitment to the world that made it all possible. The ethical dimensions of humanity's cosmic journey will grow increasingly significant. Each new discovery and settlement will demand thoughtful consideration of our responsibilities as explorers and stewards. How do we balance the drive to expand with the need to preserve? How do we ensure that our actions respect the integrity of the worlds we encounter? These questions will guide humanity's actions, shaping a legacy that reflects not just ambition, but also wisdom and care. In the distant future, when humanity spans star systems and thrives on countless worlds, we will look back on this era as the beginning of something extraordinary. The first steps into space, the first colonies on other planets, and the first glimpses of alien skies will be remembered as the foundation of a story that stretches across millennia and galaxies. This is not the end of humanity's journey. It is the beginning of an infinite adventure, one that will continue to inspire and unite us. The stars are not just destinations. They are invitations to dream, to explore, and to create. Each step forward reaffirms that humanity's greatest strength lies in its ability to imagine a future beyond the constraints of the present. The universe is vast, but so is our potential. As we continue this journey, we do so with the knowledge that the cosmos is not just a backdrop to our existence, but a partner in our story, a canvas for our aspirations, and a home for our dreams. The stars await, and with each passing day, humanity moves closer to its destiny, an infinite future written among the stars. As humanity journeys further into the cosmos, the threads of exploration and existence weave a tapestry that binds us not just to our past, but to a boundless future. The stars, once symbols of distant dreams, become the markers of our greatest achievements and our evolving understanding of what it means to belong to the universe. Each new world reached and each mystery unraveled brings humanity closer to fulfilling its role as both explorer and steward of the cosmos. The communities that take shape on distant worlds will be beacons of human adaptability and creativity. From Mars, where settlers will learn to harness the planet's meager resources to create thriving cities, to the distant exoplanets orbiting unfamiliar stars, humanity will forge new ways of living that embrace diversity, innovation, and cooperation. These communities will carry the essence of Earth while evolving into something entirely their own, shaped by the gravitational pull of new worlds and the challenges of life in the unknown. Each settlement will stand as a testament to humanity's ability to create, adapt, and thrive. Generational starships, traveling vast distances between the stars, will become microcosms of human potential. On these self-contained worlds, every element of life, education, culture, governance, will be designed to sustain communities over centuries. The people aboard these ships will embody the essence of exploration, knowing that they may never set foot on their destination, but will play a vital role in humanity's cosmic expansion. These starships will not only carry humans, but also the seeds of Earth's ecosystems, ensuring that the diversity of life on our home planet finds new places to flourish among the stars. When humanity eventually steps onto an exoplanet, the moment will redefine our place in the universe. Beneath alien skies and surrounded by unfamiliar landscapes, settlers will face challenges that demand ingenuity and resilience. Over time, these exoplanets will not just be places we visit. They will become homes where new traditions, cultures, and ways of thinking emerge. The inhabitants of these worlds will be connected to Earth through history, but will forge their own identities, creating a mosaic of human civilization that spans the galaxy. The possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life will remain at the forefront of exploration. Whether we find microbes in Europa's hidden oceans or civilizations orbiting distant stars, the implications will be profound. Such discoveries will challenge humanity to think beyond itself, to embrace new perspectives, and to redefine what it means to be alive in a universe teeming with potential. Even the silence of the cosmos will teach us something valuable, reminding us of the fragility and uniqueness of life on Earth. Earth, though just one planet among countless others, will always remain humanity's first home. The sight of our blue planet from the depths of space will inspire future generations to cherish and protect it. The lessons learned from creating sustainable ecosystems on Mars or managing resources aboard starships will provide solutions to the challenges we face on Earth. Space exploration will not be an escape from our problems, but a way to solve them, offering new tools and perspectives to ensure the survival and flourishing of life on our home planet. As humanity expands its presence in the cosmos, the ethical dimensions of exploration will grow more urgent. Every step into the unknown will raise questions about responsibility and stewardship. How do we ensure that our presence does not harm the worlds we touch? What principles should guide our interactions with potential extraterrestrial life? These questions will define the character of humanity's cosmic legacy, shaping a future where exploration is guided by respect and a deep sense of interconnectedness. In the distant future, when humanity looks back on its journey, this moment will be seen as the dawn of a new era. The era when humanity chose to embrace the infinite, to transcend its limitations, and to write its story across the stars. The achievements of this time, each colony established, each starship launched, and each mystery solved, will stand as monuments to the courage and creativity of a species that refused to be bound by the confines of a single world. The stars are not just destinations. They are reminders of humanity's potential, reflections of our ability to dream and achieve. With each new horizon reached, we reaffirm that the universe is not a void to be conquered, but a home to be understood and cherished. The cosmos is infinite, and so is humanity's capacity for growth, connection, and creation. Together, as we journey into the depths of space, we write a story that will endure for millennia, a story of hope, resilience, and the unyielding belief that the best chapters of humanity are yet to come. The stars await, and with each step forward, we draw closer to a destiny as boundless as the universe itself. As humanity embarks on this extraordinary journey among the stars, we are reminded that our potential is limitless, our curiosity boundless, and our spirit unyielding. Each step forward brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and creating a future where the universe is not just a vast expanse, but a home for all. The stars are calling, and together, we will rise to meet their challenge, building a legacy that will echo through time. Thank you for joining this exploration of what lies beyond. If you found this journey inspiring, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights, stories, and updates on humanity's path to the stars. Let's continue to dream, discover, and build the future together. See you next time.